Mixer grinder spares. Mixer grinder spares. Armature. Motor armature. Like this. Rotatory switch. Power. 1, 2, 3. Rotatory switch. Cap. Rotatory switch cap. Like types, different types. Blades, flower blade, this type, this type. These are blades, mixie blades, jar, mixie jar blades. Small mixer jar, pin. This is not shaft or pin. These types are three types. Three jars are na three types. Okay. This is capler. Jar capler. This is jar capler. Jar capler. Mixer motor capler. Mixer grinder motor capler. These are base. We are using here, like here we are using these here inside this like four are using base purpose, base rubbers. Okay. Load switch, cut off. When overload, automatically mixer stopped. When we pressing this button, automatically as usually mixer running. Like okay, loader switch 2.7 amps, 2.5, 2.2 or we have to available. Okay, these are carbon brushes. Okay, like this. See, these carbon brushes. Available cost 30 rupees. Here. These. Okay. These carbon brushes. Okay. Jar washers. These are These are all mixer grinder spare parts. Mixer grinder spare parts.